Hello, this is Jerome Serbia, and today it is raining in the Philippines. Right now, I have a free water for my plant, and I'm really grateful for that. Okay, there's no longer in blue. My cactus, of course, the cactus doesn't need that much water, that's why the pot is facing inward. And I also have my mayanas. Well, unfortunately, when my mayanas grew larger, I can no longer face the pot outside. There are some of my oregano. There you go. Some of the longer leaves that I have here. Continue. Purple heart. Aloe vera. Spider plant. Fortune plant. Some of the wandering leaves. And then as you can hear, there's a thunderstorm here. Crazy, huh? That area is Santa Catalina. I think it's more of a convent. Those are my gnomes, and there's two others hanging. And there's another one hiding there. Crazy, right? Simple plants. There you go. Anyways, thank you very much for watching and sharing the rain or the sound of the rain with me. Bye for now.